Assalamualaikum students. This video lecture is for pre-9th class subject maths and exercise number 4.1. We are doing question number 6. Perform the indicated operation and simplify. Today we will start part number 3. X raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 6 over x square minus y square divided by x raised to power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised to power 4. Students, this x6 minus y raised to power 6 can be written as x square and its whole power 3. You can see 2 3s are 6 minus y square whole raised to power 3. 2 3s are 6, so it can be written as like this, over x square minus y square divided by x raised to power 4 plus x square plus y raised to power 4. Now here we can use formula of cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into square of first term plus product of both a and b plus square of second term. Now you can see this formula we will apply here. X cube minus y cube, and we first of all we will write a minus b means first term as it is without cube, x square minus second term without cube, that is y square, into first term square, that is x square whole square, plus second term square, that is y square whole square, then plus product of both terms. The first term is x square multiplied by y square over x square minus y square. Now we change division into multiplication and this full term will go in denominator. Now you can see x square minus y square, this is cancelled with x square minus y square, and when we simplify these 2 2s are 4, x4 plus x square y square plus y 2 2s are 4. Now this x4 plus x square y square plus y4 will be cancelled with it. Both terms are cancelled, so its answer is 1. Now students, we will start part number 4. X square minus 1 over x square plus 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 over 1 minus x. Now see, x whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 whole square over x square. 2x we will factorize x plus x, 1x plus 1x, that is 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 over, from here minus is common. Students, when we take minus common, inside the bracket all signs are changed. Now you can see here x is negative, here after taking common it will become positive. 1 is positive, after taking common it becomes negative, so it becomes minus into x minus 1. Now when we open this formula, a square minus b square, one time with plus sign, one time with minus sign, it becomes x plus 1 into x minus 1 over, from first two factors x square plus x, from here x is common, and from last two factors there is no common, it means 1 we can take common. So 1 is, because 1 is the factor of both, so 1 is taken common, inside x plus 1 is left, multiplied by x plus 5 over x minus 1, which minus sign is here, that I have written at start. Now minus into x plus 1 into x minus 1 over x plus 1 and x plus 1 both are same, so it is taken common, from here x is left, from here 1 is left, so it becomes x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5 over x minus 1. Now x plus 1 and x plus 1, these both are cancelled, x minus 1 and x minus 1, these are cancelled, so answer is minus into x plus 5 over x plus 1. And the last part is x square plus xy over y into x plus y multiplied by x square plus xy over y into x plus y divided by x square minus x over xy minus 2y. Now first of all students, we will simplify all the factors. From first factor, x is common, from here x plus y is left and denominator term will remain same because there is no common, it is already simplified, multiplied by from here x is common, x plus y is left, and over y into x plus y divided by x square minus x, from here x is common, x minus 1 is left, from denominator y is common because you can see y is present with both factors, so y is taken common, from here x is left, from here 2 is left, so it is y into x minus 2. Now students, change division into multiplication. You know well, when we change division into multiplication, then denominator term will go up and denominator term comes down, so it becomes y into x minus 2 over x into x minus 1. Now students, we will check out that which terms can be cancelled. X plus y and x plus y, these are cancelled out, x plus y and x plus y, these are also cancelled. Now x and x, these are cancelled, y and this y, these are cancelled, so from numerator x into x minus 2 is left, from denominator y into x minus 1 is left, so this is the answer. Thank you.